Hi there, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
If you're in a difficult financial situation and can't seem to get yourself out of debt, you should consider filing for a consumer proposal. The solution may sound intimidating, but there are many advantages that come with this debt relief method.
A consumer proposal is often seen as a last resort after a person reaches insolvency. If they've tried solutions like budgeting or credit counseling and they haven't worked well, then they can try this debt relief method or file for bankruptcy.
The proposal is a legally binding agreement made between a debtor and their creditors to tackle the debts owed. Instead of paying the amount owed in full, the proposal requests that creditors accept a lowered amount. The debtor is offering to make a monthly payment for a maximum of 5 years to reach that lowered amount. Once that goal is reached, the burden will be off their shoulders.
Here are some basic facts about consumer proposal. It's only meant for unsecured debt, like credit cards, utility bills, payday loans, etc. It does not cover secured debt, like mortgages and car loans. Consumer proposals are only available to people with less than $250,000 in debt. You must include all unsecured creditors in the agreement.
If you're planning to file a consumer proposal to get out of a rough financial situation, you need to go to a licensed insolvency trustee. The trustee acts as an intermediary between you and the creditors, making sure everyone respects the terms of the agreement. They also assist you through multiple steps of the process.
Here are some things that your licensed insolvency trustee will do. Assist you with the creation of the proposal. File the proposal. Negotiate with you and your unsecured creditors. Receive and disperse the proposal plan payments to creditors. Provide credit counseling. File documents to legally release you from the unsecured debt once the proposal is complete. After receiving the creditor's acceptance, the payment process begins. You'll make monthly payments until you reach the proposal's agreed upon total. If you fall behind 3 months worth of payments without filing an amendment to the proposal, the agreement is void.
But why submit a consumer proposal over another type of debt relief? The number one advantage of filing for a consumer proposal is that you get to experience debt relief. You no longer have to stare at a mountain of debt and wonder how you are ever going to pay that off.
A consumer proposal isn't just a solution for you. It's a solution for your creditors too. The first benefit is that the creditors get paid. As long as the debtor follows the terms properly, they'll receive their share of the money at regular intervals until the proposal's completion.
The second benefit for creditors is that they don't have to invest effort into getting the funds that they're owed. After agreeing to the proposal, they don't have to make phone calls, send letters, or consider pursuing legal action. And finally, creditors receive more money from the debtor than if they'd filed for a personal bankruptcy.
With a consumer proposal, the debtor can keep their major assets as long as they continue making essential payments. This is not the case for bankruptcy. A personal bankruptcy does not protect all assets. Many of them are surrendered for the purpose of settling debts.
With a consumer proposal, there are no interest rates, hidden fees, or penalties that are going to change your monthly payment plan. The terms are set ahead of time. There should be no surprises when it comes to repayment. A personal bankruptcy stays on your credit report for approximately 7 years if it's your first time filing. If it's your second time, the period is 14 years.
In comparison, a consumer proposal will stay on your credit report for only 3 years upon completion of payments. Another benefit of a consumer proposal is that you can pay it off at any point with no penalty.
If you're interested in a consumer proposal, you should come to Sklar Associates to get a free consultation. There are no upfront fees, and the trustee will help you figure out if you're the right candidate for this form of debt relief.
We're one of the largest filers of consumer proposals in the Greater Toronto Area. Our trustees are licensed by the government and are highly experienced in guiding clients towards financial stability. You can leave questions about consumer proposals in the comments below, or let us know if you want a topic covered in a future video.
For more info, check out the show notes below and click subscribe to get notified right away when we post new videos about bankruptcy and consumer proposals.